Can artificial intelligence really replace parents? It might sound like science fiction, but AI is already stepping into roles traditionally held by caregivers. Today, we're diving deep into how AI is impacting parenting and family life, and what it means for the future. Before we get started, hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed about the latest in tech and society. AI is already reshaping how families function. From baby monitors with AI-powered cry detection to virtual tutors helping kids with homework, technology is taking on parenting tasks. Smart devices like AI nannies offer advice based on child behavior patterns. The potential benefits include reduced stress for parents and more personalized care for kids. Let us know in the comments. Do you think AI could ever replace a parent's love and intuition? While AI can help, it raises tough questions. Who's responsible when an AI makes a bad decision? Can we trust AI to teach kids values, empathy, and emotional intelligence? Could relying too much on AI create a disconnect between parents and children? Smash the like button if you think ethical guidelines are crucial for AI in parenting. AI isn't all bad, it has real advantages. Adaptive apps help children with personalized learning plans. AI cameras alert parents to dangers, like a child approaching a pool. Wearables monitor children's health and alert parents to potential issues. If you're using an AI tool to help with parenting, share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Despite its benefits, AI cannot replace emotional connection or human intuition. Kids need human interaction for proper emotional development. Algorithms may reinforce biases or lack cultural understanding. Want to learn more about how technology affects child development? Subscribe now for upcoming content on tech and parenting. The big question remains, will AI replace parents? The answer is no, but it will change the way we parent. As long as we strike the right balance, AI can enhance parenting without replacing the human touch. Drop a comment below on your thoughts. Will AI revolutionize parenting for better or worse? Subscribe, share this video, and click the bell icon to stay updated on how tech is reshaping our lives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.